DJA TV.
Country people, una welcome to DJM TV weekly news update for Pidgin English. Me wan lakuna this week na una country brother Stanley Okocha. I beg my brother, my sister, if this one are the first time when you take dey watch our ogbonge news like this, I beg make you subscribe to our YouTube channel wey be DJM TV. Make you click on the notification bell so that you go continue dey receive hot ogbonge news like this. Our first news for today na be the one when it concern
DJA TV.
Home of joy. What's up? Take a picture.
Sisters, let me, on behalf of the Deputy Governor, appreciate and thank you for coming out to receive us. It has not been easy, but we give God the glory. The enemies are plotted, but God has His way. What is important to us is that the victory is not for anybody. The victory is for the people of Edo State and for the South South. And so I thank all of you for your prayers. Incident that happened, of course, you know, from River State, we will never take any intimidation. We will never intimidation. So what has happened in the Edo State is to tell you that the world was watching. The international community was watching. Before I left Edo this afternoon, we made sure that the result was declared. Because Edo people spoke. If anybody was in Edo, you will know that Edo people spoke. And that is what is important. They went out to protect and defend their votes. And that is what it's supposed to be. So we thank them and we thank the entire PDP family. The governors worked together to make sure that Edo does not go to any other party other than PDP. So in South Sudan, the whole 6 states is for PDP. And so all of us, we are going to speak with one voice. It is no longer where this party is in the other state. Then we will not talk with one voice. But now we'll talk with one voice. But let me say this to comment. For the first time, if INEC conducts election this way, people will begin to have faith. I have also said that the only people that can conduct a credible election is INEC and police. If they agree that the election will be free and fair, it will be free and fair. And yesterday we have shown that everybody was committed, at least to show that, look, if we have made mistakes before, we don't think we continue to make mistakes. Nigeria has to move forward. So what happened was clear choice of the Edo people. And INEC should be commended. When they do bad, we say you did bad. When they do what they're supposed to say, we say thank you for doing what they're supposed to do. So also the security agencies. Yes, IG tried to do something that would have led to crisis. I thank God they understood themselves. And yesterday, the police also made sure that people's votes were protected. So I thank all of you, and God bless you. Thank you.
Our president. Well done.
Hey, Mama. I need you, sir.
Let me sit down.
Respect. Woman being never sit down. Kumba will just sit down like saying, wait till this. What's your main job?
Stop, let me drop. What is wrong with you? I go drag you down. Are you okay? Shift the Kumba. Okay, clap the there. Move it, let me sit down. Move it, let people sit down.
DJA TV.
My brother, my sister, if this one are the first time when you say they watch our Ogbonge news like this, I beg, make you subscribe to our YouTube channel when be DJM TV. make you click on the notification bell so that you go continue dey receive hot ogbonge news like this.
DJN TV.